In part 1, he walked into the fire. The fire should have taken him, but it bowed to him instead. As flames danced around him, the pride watched from afar. Jaws dropped, paralyzed. He didn't flinch. He didn't blink. The cursed cub walked through fire like it was air. That night, something ancient awakened inside him. A roar, unlike any the savannah had ever heard, echoed through the land. Not from rage, but from something deeper, purpose. The hyenas, who once mocked him, lowered their heads. Even the stars seemed to tremble. A lion who had no name now had every creature whispering his. But the real challenge hadn't even begun yet. Far beyond the mountains, a force darker than any pride was rising, and it knew he was coming. Follow for part 3.